Thank God you spared me. You spared me. Oh. Really? 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 Oh, God. Here, you take it. Take it. No, stop licking me. Go lick her. Take it.
Eve, you're scary up close.
Take it. Take it. Take the dog. Fine. I'll keep the dog.
Hi, Buck. You look like you're making out.
Too fast.
She looks like she's humping you a little.
Huh?
She looks like she's humping you a little from front.
No. 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 So you lick my finger. No. This finger's been on my face.
3 weeks.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yeah, can you get videos on your phone?
Yeah, but my phone was dead.
Well, good. When he gets service and your phone is charged, I shall text you this video.
Oh, I don't think I can get texted videos. I'm not. You have to try. I am done.
Feed me.
Aww, look at how cute she is.
She's too big to be a baby, you realize that, right?
Fly.
Carl!
She's like Carl. Carl.
Sounds like Kyle.
Carl.
Should name the flies after Kyle.
Carl.
Jim Bob.
He died so young.
Yeah, that's what she
When did you
Wait.
start recording this?
Huh? I've been recording this.
I will you out. Oh, you hurt me.
You deserve it.
And again with the licking.
You deserve it.
That is my boots, okay?
He goes to jail.
Mine, not yours.
You deserve that
She's
one.
like a cobra. She's like,
He's got the board to the side.
I know what this should take.
No, if he ever subscribes.
no, you should probably stop recording this and just throw it on YouTube by now. But be a gentleman.
I'll wait till we get hit to 5 minutes.
Be a gentleman. I said be a gentleman.
Oh, no.
Buck, what are you doing? Why are you itching your ear in a chair?
Because what will happen is, if they find your you will get a
Be a gentleman.
Weirdo. Pedophile.
Be a gentleman.
My favorite dog.
Yeah.
She makes the cutest little bird noises. Listen.
They will
I put her up next to the camera.
Eve, you're scary up close. I've heard.
She makes like the cutest
No,
little
what I'm
noises.
saying is not
I live with her. I've heard. Okay, let's get a pic of her boot.
Noises.
Let's get a pic of her boot.
Wish we could have got a video of Dad putting a diaper on her.
Dude,
Oh,
no!
wait, no, Buck. Be a gentleman. Are you done?
Nah, I'm just gonna take a video of both of us now. So what shall we talk about?
total.
I'll put 8 Momo.
3
I'm
months
coming for
There's a
you.
Carl on my arm.
out of that place.
How do we know it's not?
I'm
How
done
about
with this.
Jim Bob?
I am done with this.
No!
I said I am
No!
done with this.
No!
I said I am done with this.
No!
I said I am done with
My
this.
camera!
I am done. I am done. Oh my god. Get serious. I am done.
Yeah.
let it do is take the camera from you.